Welcome to Cottonbyte. Today I'm going to show you a super fun ComfyUI plugin called ComfyUI-See-through. Here's what it does in one sentence. It takes a regular anime character image and automatically splits it into tons of separate, editable transparent layers. For example, if you have a 2D character illustration, normally it's just a flat image where the hair, face, eyes, clothes, and accessories are all stuck together. If you want to use it for live 2D or create foreground-background parallax animations, you'd have to manually cut out, separate, and fill in missing parts, which is a total pain. Well, this plugin uses AI to do all that tedious work for you. It can automatically split a character image into up to 24 semantic layers. Things like front hair, back hair, face, eyes, eyebrows, mouth, clothes, shoes, wings, tails, props, and more. Every single layer it outputs comes with a transparent background. But here's the real kicker. It's not just basic cutout. It also figures out the depth order of every part, which is what we call depth information. Like, front hair should cover the face, and back hair should be behind the body. On top of that, symmetrical parts like eyes, ears, and gloves can be split into left and right sides. This makes the final result way better for post-production work like live 2D, fake 3D parallax, or layered animations. Let's take a look at the workflow. It has three main nodes. First is the load layer diff model node, which generates the character layers. We can just set the resolution to 1280 here. Second is the load marigold depth model node, which estimates the depth order of the layers. Third is the decompose node, which runs the full splitting process. If you toggle on TBLR split, it will split paired parts like ears and eyes into two separate layers. If you leave it off, each pair will be a single layer. Finally, there's a save PSD node that saves the results as both PNG layers and a PSD file. This file comes as a zip archive which you can download from the right-hand taskbar. We need to open this PSD file in Photoshop to see all the layers laid out. You can click on the layers on the right to toggle individual ones on and off. Some of the split layers might be slightly misaligned in terms of depth order, but you can fix that with just a quick drag. From my testing, See-through primarily focuses on splitting the human body. If a character has super complex clothing accessories, it will just combine those extra decorations with the corresponding body parts into a single layer. But it splits the human body itself, incredibly detailed, especially the face. It will even split out the ear you can't see in profile views. For some images, it goes as far as separating eyeliner, the whites of the eyes, and the irises, and sometimes even eyelashes. I've already uploaded this workflow to Runninghub, the platform I use for my daily work. Just click the link in the video description to try it out. There are also tons of awesome functional workflows uploaded by other creators that you can check out too. So who exactly is this plugin for? First, anyone who splits 2D anime character illustrations into layers. Second, anyone who wants to turn static character images into live 2D or fake 3D animations. Third, anyone making AI animations, character showcases, VTuber assets, or game character demos. And fourth, total beginners who just don't want to deal with manual cutout and layering. Put simply, ComfyUI-See-through brings the auto-split anime character images into PSD layers functionality right into the ComfyUI workflow. It's not just another image generation plugin, it's more of a post-production and animation asset processing tool. Think of it like this. AI takes your character image and breaks it down into layered assets that you can animate, edit, and use to create depth effects. It's also super easy to use. Just install it into ComfyUI's custom not ads folder, install the dependencies, and restart ComfyUI. After that, you'll see the see-through category in the node menu. The project also includes pre-made workflows that you can just drag and drop into ComfyUI to use right away. In terms of VRAM, the official recommendation is 12 GB or more for smooth performance. If your GPU has between 8 GB and 12 GB, you can lower the depth resolution or drop the overall processing resolution from 1280 to 1024.